Okay guys, I took the skin off of this door. This is the driver's door, and the bottom is rotted. Looks like they replaced, they put a patch job on it, but they did a really shitty job because they didn't cut any of the old rot out. You can see how rotten this is. They didn't cut any of this out. So they patched right over it. Then they fixed the door, and there's the door, which is also rotten. They just kind of just patched it. I don't know. It looks like a very old patch job. There's a lot of Bondo on the outside. That door was not sandblasted. That inner structure right there, I'm going to have to cut that away from the door shell, because we got rot. We have rot there too. Let's go like this. We have rot there too. So I'm going to take that apart. New doors are too expensive to replace, so I can order that bottom piece for like 170 bucks, or give or take a few bucks, depends on where I get it. And then this other door is just bent. It's not rotten. It has a little rust on it, but it's bent. It got pushed up there for some reason, and the whole thing is wavy instead of being straight. Like that one is straight, but it's rotten. This one is not rotten, but it's all wavy. It's all pushed in here and here. It's got pushed in there. This is pushed up here. This got a big bow in it, and this is not correct here. So what I'm going to do is take the skin off of that one and then fix it. That one there, I'm going to have to buy a repair panel for the bottom. That's the only thing. And I got the two door skins there. They came with the car when I bought it. So that's what I'm doing with door skins. So hopefully the parts don't come from Mexico, because I'll never get them. I'm sorry, not Mexico, China. Because China, for some reason, you can't get shit, I guess. Like, unless you get it from Walmart. I don't think Walmart has this kind of stuff. Anyway, I don't mean to offend anyone, but that's just how it seems to be. Anyway, that's where I'm at with door skins. I guess I'll cut this one off. Let's see, it's getting a little late, so I'm going to stop working now. There's a big ass dent right there. I got a lot of stuff to do to that one, though. Anyway, I guess I can cut that one off tomorrow. Today's Saturday. Tomorrow's Sunday. And that door is kind of messed up here. Look at that. It got punched right here, and there's a big bow, a big pregnant spot right here. It should be straight like the other door. It shouldn't be pregnant like that. You can kind of see where it's all messed up. This is sunk in here. This is all dented here. Hammer and dolly will take care of all that. Big rubber mallet, lay it flat on the floor, make it straight, and then put the new skin on it, basically. Before I do all that, I'm going to sandblast inside and outside, and then that thing I'm going to take off and then sandblast. And I got to repair the bottom part of it, because that's got a little rot on it also, right there, which is not a big deal because you don't see it, so it'll be taken care of. No rot, no rust. Okay, well, that's that. And I didn't pull the frame out. I have the door open today, and it's nice out, so I figured I wouldn't do that right now. I finished fixing that truck. I got 2 new batteries for it, fixed the wiring. I just have to do the door thing. That door's kind of really caved in there. Alright, they put a piece of plexiglass there. But it's going to be nice when I get that one off and paint that one. Let's see, that's about it for me. And I hope everyone's having a great day. And I'll see you on the flip side.